to go join a gym. Let's go get a drink. I'm meeting up with a friend. I don't need to be that old version of Caroline. I don't need my sunglasses on. Anyways, ciao, welcome to the vlog. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome back. Oh, so rude. All the background noise, and welcome back to my channel. Like I said in my last video, how I ended my last video, I'm starting this video. Lots of background noise, no AC. I'm not gonna close the windows and start sweating just to talk to you guys. So if you hear all the little chitter chatter of the Italian streets, sorry not sorry. I wanted to start this video off with kind of like a recap because last we talked was Sunday, the day after I landed. So Sunday was kind of like a blur for me. I kind of got a bit of a stomach ache. I didn't even sleep that well Sunday night because I slept all during the day. So then Monday, I kind of just barely started working again, just barely started getting like my ish together. Tuesday was an amazing day. My aunt actually took the day off of work to help out with my grandma, and then we in the afternoon went to go, she helped me to go join a gym. So she helped me like converse with them. I did a lot of talking, so I practiced, but it definitely was a lot easier having my aunt there to tell them, hey, I'm only here for 3 months. Can we do a 3-month membership at this gym? So I've gone and done, I think, like 2 workouts now, just like really light, easy workouts just to ease my way back into working out. I don't want to just like destroy myself like the first day that I'm in the gym. So it's going to be so nice to have a gym. It's making me feel like I'm actually living here and I'm not just on vacation. It's not that you need a gym to work out. You guys know my philosophy, like you know what I stand for. Like you don't need a gym to work out, but holy moly, it's so nice, especially when you're staying somewhere long term. Like if I was only here for a few weeks, for a month, I'd do runs and of course walks, and I'd maybe do a little bit like of like Pilates or something, little like easy home workouts. But right now, because I'm gonna be staying here for so long and I'm living my life normally here because I moved here, joining a gym was so nice. And then after I got my gym membership, I went to Piazza Bologna with my aunt, which is where a university is, and just there's lots of embassies around there. It's a really popular area of Rome that's of course not like in the city center. I'm in suburbs right now. I'm not in your traditional like, you know, where the Trevi Fountain is, where the Vatican is, where Piazza Navona is, like all those famous things that everybody knows of Rome. I'm like not, I'm in the suburbs of Rome. So anyways, we went to Piazza Bologna because that's where my classes will be. So I'm taking classes for the whole entire month of November, 5 days a week, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We signed up, I signed up for them. I don't know why I always say we, because I feel like you're like with me coming along. I always say we, but it's me, I paid for those classes. So anyways, 5 days a week, they're gonna be intense. I should be able to get up to level 3 in Italian by the end of November. So by December 1st, your girl should be fluent, hopefully. We'll see. I mean, I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm really proud of myself for how much I'm trying and like, you know, catching on and all that stuff. Just a lot more grammar needs to come easily. Then my vocab is there, but my grammar is just it's not good. Wednesday was just another like kind of work day, and today is Thursday. I finally felt like dressing up and talking to you guys and sharing some stuff, some updates, because I am going out all this weekend. I'm finally going to the city center. It's more of an occasion to go downtown to where all of these, you know, amazing, very popular areas of Rome are, because there's so much more to Rome than just those, you know, 10 things that everyone knows Rome to be. But of course, I want to share as soon as I can those amazing things of Rome. So that's my little catch up. I have joined the gym. I'm taking classes all of November. I feel like I'm finally like actually living here. Like I have a daily routine for sure. Life is all in all much slower for me here and much later for me. So I've always been a very big morning person. I love getting up at like 5 a.m. That's me. But I also have adjusted and learned to fall asleep. I sometimes fall asleep here. Usually my goal is about 11:30, but sometimes it's midnight. Sometimes I know going forward it's gonna be like 1 or 2. Life here is much later and I wake up much later, and I'm totally trying to be as chill as possible and go with the flow as possible. I eat later, I drink later. I'm drinking more here, which is just part of the life, and I love it. I don't need to be that old version of Caroline that woke up at 5 a.m. and went to bed at 9 o'clock and worked productively all day. This is like a different journey of my life, and I'm just accepting it. I'm not forcing myself or feeling upset that I'm not that version of Caroline. I've had lots of family time so far these past few days. The food here is unreal. I'm already gonna say it. It's just so good. It's a lot of still summer food. So sorry. So here in Italy, there is no harshness of, there's no like freaking out over fall. They don't freak out over fall here like they do in America with all the pumpkin, everything, with all of like the just fall is like huge, 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 huge in America. And it's not like they don't have fall here. Obviously they do. They just don't have the America marketing that they push so early on. Like fall has already been happening for weeks in America versus like it's still 80 degrees every day here. So they are still very much kind of in summer mode. I still have a lot of summer produce. I'm still eating a lot of summer fruits and vegetables. Food is very light here, very seasonal, lots of olive oil, grains, pasta, bread, cheeses, meats, fruit and vegetables. Like that's kind of like, I'll go into a whole nother video, a whole nother time talking about food, but that's kind of like the food vibes here so far. I am also so proud of myself. I've made a handful of friends already. So happy I met a friend at the gym already. I met a friend through YouTube. She commented on one of my YouTube videos a couple months ago, and we're actually gonna go meet tomorrow. I have a friend that lives in another area of Rome. I have a friend that's a photographer, and we're gonna meet up next weekend and do some photography downtown. So I'm so grateful and excited, and yeah, that's my little update for now. I am walking now to get my what is it called, ticket for the autobus, because I'm not taking metro or like public transportation a lot this month. I'm going to get a monthly pass for November, but this month gotta stop for the motorcycles. He just stared at me as he drove by. Gosh, it's sometimes so embarrassing to vlog in public, but I am just fully embracing vlogging in public. It's embarrassing. People are gonna stare at me. I'm talking to a camera, but I'm embracing it because I have a lot of pressure on myself to make really, really, really good videos while I'm here, and I'm not, like, I didn't go to film school. I don't know a lot about like cinema and like filming and all that stuff. I'm kind of just learning as I go. And so I guess I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself to make really good vlogs while I'm here. But anyways, I am walking right now to get a ticket. That's what I was talking about for the bus, because I'm on my way to the city center. And I know you guys like want to see a lot of the city center, but I'm only going to show you like bits and pieces of it today because I am meeting up with a friend. Her name is Valentina, and she wanted to go to some, oh wow sun, some really, really cool places.
Selfie?
No, un video per YouTube.
Aspetta che ti blocco tutto.
Grazie. Arrivederci. Okay, so I learned from the master, from Casey Neistat. I learned to set up your camera when you're by yourself vlogging, and then go and do the little scene of you walking by or something, and then you have to go back and get the camera once you finish your like walk by scene or filming yourself or whatever, moving. And every time I stop to film myself, all the Italians need to help me or make fun of me or know more about me, and so that's why I just put those last few clips with the audio over it, translating it, because this is hilarious. Okay, I'm walking home from the metro to go change because I have like 30 minutes before I go meet my next friend by the way, this afternoon was amazing. We went to the Giardino degli Aranci, but it's not orange season. Orange citrus season is in the winter, so there's no oranges, but it was an amazing view, as you saw. After the garden, we walked the metro because it was a lot of walking, so we decided to take the metro home, take the quick way home. So anyways, it was an amazing, amazing afternoon. It was just so much walking. I definitely sweat a little bit, so I'm gonna go inside and drink literally like a gallon of water, and then I'm gonna go meet another friend, like I said earlier, for drinks tonight. It's called an aperitivo. So basically an aperitivo just means a drink before dinner. So that's the plan. Friday night, Friday, very social. I have like another 15 minutes of walking to do, and then that is that. So far it's been an amazing day. I'm sorry I didn't get much footage of Rome downtown. Rome downtown is absolutely enormous, so there's no way to put all of Rome. Like, I'm going to have so many Rome vlogs because there's just so much to the city center that just like you can't capture it all. There's no way to capture it all. Okay, I've changed. I'm in a much more comfortable outfit. I got the sweat off me and now I'm going to pick up my friend. Honestly, the most beautiful night ever. I would say if you're coming to Rome, come like late September, early October, or sometimes maybe even in the spring for like the best weather. It's just so sunny, so fresh. Anyways, let's go get a drink. Buongiorno, good morning. It is Saturday. Still kind of waking up. I've been up for like, it's actually 9:30, so I've been up for almost 2.5 hours now. I woke up about 7, so last night was so fun. I had such a good time with Hannah. We didn't even stay out that late. I think I got home about 11 o'clock, fell asleep at midnight, but I usually, no matter what like time I fall asleep, I've been waking up, sorry I'm out of breath because I'm going up a hill, but I've been waking up at like 7 a.m. So this morning I didn't really sleep in, so I'm feeling very tired. So anyways, yesterday was a really good day. Today is Saturday. So Saturday, and especially on Sunday, things are so quiet here in the mornings. They're much more calm. People are definitely sleeping in because they're staying up later on the weekends. And I kind of got the question actually on Instagram if I've made any friends. So as you've seen, I vlogged all yesterday with friends. I would say like some ways that I've met friends so far is to be on social media and to just get involved and go to places, I guess, consistently. So you start seeing the same people and you like find the courage to start talking to them or say hello or stuff like that. I'm out of breath. And now I'm on a busier street, so we'll talk friends after my workout.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. It's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light.
Ciao, buona domenica. I am currently sitting on my bed. I actually just showered and My hair is still very wet. I felt like doing natural hair today, and I'm too lazy to put on makeup today, sorry, but I just been like doing my hair a lot lately and putting on makeup all weekend, so I wanted to be chill today. And in Italy, they don't, I mean, it's usually not the norm to like walk outside the house ever with wet hair. And I'm just I have so much hair that it takes like 4 or 5 hours for it to dry naturally. But anyway, happy Sunday. So a little recap of this morning. Basically woke up late because I went to bed late because we ate dinner so late. We ate dinner at like 9:30, 10 last night. Got home about midnight. Fell asleep shortly after that, and then I woke up pretty early, but I was pretty tired, so I kind of just did nothing for like an hour or two this morning, and then I finally decided to go to the gym, got in a little bit of cardio, and so now that's why I took a shower, and I'm just too lazy to get pretty today. I am going to my aunt's house in even more suburbs of Rome. So we're going there today because it's a little bit more like, she has a yard, she has a garden, like it's not city life, it's very suburb life. So we're going there for lunch. She's gonna pick up me, my grandma. We're gonna go spend the day in the afternoon in there. So it's just gonna be a very chill Sunday. Sundays are usually very chill. Stores are usually not open for the most part. People just relax on Sundays or work out or just take their time to like take care of themselves on Sundays to, you know, do all those self-care things. And that's about all today's gonna be, very chill. So I guess let's get into it. And that concludes this vlog. Sums up the first full week of living and fully here in Italy, and that was only just the beginning. Like this week so far that I'm already halfway through kind of vlogging my next video, so I can tell you that in my next YouTube video there will be updates on my citizenship, and then there will be updates also on just a lot of things. Like I'll be going back into the city center, going to different places, going shopping, spending time at a really cool park. So there's gonna be a lot of fun things in my next video. I mean, really, like I said, like every video should be jam-packed with something totally different, something totally new. I have some updates as far as like my living situation, and just things that are just lots of updates in the next one, lots of fun things that I'm doing already in my next video because I've already filmed them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some kind of value out of it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and please leave a comment on something that you enjoyed from this video, something you learned, something you're hoping to see from me in my future videos while I'm here in Italy. Just any and all things. I would totally appreciate it. And that's about it. So until next time, I hope you create a very zestful day. Ciao.